Hello there. So let's look at topic 3, lesson 5 today. Okay, I am presenting my screen. Let's watch our video.
How can you break apart numbers to add? Let's solve this problem. 37 plus 25 equals. What does the question mark stand for? What numbers are the addends?
So this is just a little vocabulary.
The question mark stands for the sum of 37 and 25. The addends in this equation are 37 and 25. To add 37 and 25, you can break apart the second addend. How can you break apart 25 into tens and ones? 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones, so 25 equals 20 plus 5. You can find the sum of 37 and 25 by adding 20 and 5 to 37.
So yesterday we broke apart both numbers and then added the tens and then added the ones. Today they're going to talk about breaking apart just one of the addends and counting on and then adding on.
Add the tens of the second addend to 37. What is the sum of 37 and 20?
So that is just counting up. Like if we were doing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, same thing, counting by tens. It does not matter what is in the ones digit. If we're counting by tens, it's going to be 7, 17, 27, 37. So what comes next? 47, 57.
37 plus 20 equals 57. Now add the ones of the second addend.
So our next topic we're going to be regrouping. We're not learning how to regroup yet. So 57 plus 5, put 57 in your head. 57, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. I added 5 and I got 62.
How can you find 57 plus 5? One way to find 57 plus 5 is to count on 5 from 57.
That's what we did.
You can count 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. 57 plus 5 equals 62. So 37 plus 25 equals 62.
Oh, we get to try it. Okay. So how many tens do I need under the 2? I need 2 tens, which makes 20. And then here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go.
Why does it help to break apart the second addend?
Any ideas? When we break apart the second addend, we can just add the tens counting up and then just add the ones counting on.
You can use mental math to add the tens and ones separately to the first addend. Now you know how to break apart numbers to add.
Okay, let's look at our lesson. You need page 147. Go ahead and find that. And remember, you can pause this video at any time. Josh has 34 cans to recycle. Jill has 27 cans. Okay, sorry. How many cans do they have in all? Solve any way you choose. Use drawings and equations to explain your work. So we are going to do 34 plus 27. Okay. So we can do any way we choose. So let's do 34 plus 27. And I'm going to break apart the second one. So this is going to be 20, and this is going to be 7. Okay. So 34 plus 20, if I'm counting by tens, and I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54. So these two numbers equal 54. And then I'm going to add in my other ones, and I'm just going to count up. So if I put 54 here, I'm going to count up to 7. So I'm going to go 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So they have 61 cans in all. Okay? You didn't have to do it that way. It says any way you want. Go to the next page. We're not going to do this. You don't have to mark it out. That was the video. Okay, let's look at this break apart down here. They just did 57. Remember yesterday's lesson, we broke apart both. We're trying to get into regrouping and adding without breaking apart. So we're now just breaking apart one. So 57 plus 32. They broke apart 32 into tens and ones. Then they're just going to add 57 and add the 30. So we're just counting by tens, guys. That's all we're doing. 57, 67, 77, 87. Okay. And then we just have to add our ones that are left to 87. 87 plus 2 is 89. And that's done. Okay. Let's look at number 2. We're just bringing this straight down. 24. We're going to break apart 13. What does this 1 represent? It represents 110, which is 10. This 3 represents 3 ones, which is 3. Okay, so we're going to add 24 plus 10, which is just add 10 up. 10, 20, 30. So 4, 14, 24, 34. Then we're going to take this, the answer we got, and add our ones that are left. And we get 34 plus 3. So what's 4 plus 3? Count up. 34, 35, 36, 37. And then write your answer up here. I forgot to do that over here. Always put your answer on the line after you show your work, okay? Okay, let's go do some. So let's do this one to start. We'll do it together. 36, we're going to bring down 3 and 6 because we're bringing it together. We're going to separate. How many tens do we have? We have 4 tens, which means we have 40. And then we have 4 ones, which means we have 4. Okay? So 36, you have to write kind of little, plus 40, 36. So let's count up 40. 36, 46, 56, 66, 76. Then we're going to start our new line. I don't know why I keep pointing at the screen. 76 goes down here. And then we still have our ones to add. So plus 4. So we're going to go 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80. And then don't forget to write it up here. Okay? Okay. You try number 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8 by yourself. Pause it and then come back and check your work. Okay? Pause. So this is 42. This is 10 and 6. We're going to go 42 plus 10 equals 52. Then we're going to go 52 plus 6. You should have gotten 58 and then 58. Okay. Over here on number 5, this is going to be 41. We're bringing it straight down. 3 10s, that means I have 30. 7 1s, that means 7. So 41 plus 30. 41, 51, 61, 71. Bring that down to start our second line. 71 plus our 7 left over. I know 1 plus 7 is 8, so 78. Okay. 35 plus 47. So I'm going to break these apart. So I'm going to go 35 plus 40. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. 75 is going to start my new row. Oh my goodness, that's a little crazy. 75 plus my 1s left over. So 75 in my head, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. Okay. Let's look at 32 plus 28. I'm going to leave 32. And then I'm going to separate my 10s and my 1s and add them separately. So I'm going to go plus 20, 32, 42, 52. And then 52 is going to start my next line. And I have to add in my 1s that are left, which is 8. And then I'm going to count up 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay. So we have 60. 48 plus 27. I'm going to leave 48. Oh my goodness. I'm going to add in my 10s. 20. So 48 plus 20, 58, 68. Then I have to start 68 with my next line. And I'm going to add what I have left, which is the 7. So 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. And guys, remember I'm going fast because you should already have these answered. Okay. We're not going to do these. If you need to pause to write this down, pause. It should already be written down. If you do not understand this, come see me at the live and get help. Okay. Remember also, this is just another strategy. We're building up. Okay. Next page. Amir planted 35 trees. Juan planted 27 trees. How many trees did they plant in all? So that's 35 plus 27. Same way, we're going to work it out. We're going to go 35 plus our 20. What's 35 plus 20? 55. Then we're going to add in our remaining 1s, 7, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. So there are 62 trees. Okay. next page. Let's look at the homework. Break apart numbers to find the sums. Show your work. I want you to break apart the numbers, okay? So this one's going to come. This is what you're doing. I know yesterday I told you to do anyway. We're having a test coming up, and you have to break apart the numbers on the test. I want you to know how to break apart the numbers. So do this, and just like we did on our work, on these three right here, okay? That's all you have to do for your homework. These three, show your work, take a picture, and send it to me in your journal. You don't have to send it on a message. Go to Seesaw, go to the math, click add journal, take a picture, send it to me. That's it. Okay? If you need help, come see me at Live.